Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to talk to you guys about this new personal care brand that is launched in India. It's called Global Beauty Secrets. Now, I was very lucky to try some of the products myself, and I thought I should sit down and talk to you guys about it as well. One of my favorite things about my job is to be able to try all these new products and to be able to bring them to you guys. The reason why I was so excited to collab with Global Beauty Secrets and talk to you guys about it was because I loved the ideology behind the brand. Now, Global Beauty Secret is a brand that has curated and collected wisdom and knowledge and beauty secrets from all over the world. Now, these are secrets that are usually, hidden in your kitchens, and they have not only incorporated beauty regimes that you can find in households in India and their traditional practices, but also from women around the world. So they have products that inculcate Aztec tradition, they have products that inculcate a lot of Greek traditions, and these are a mix of scientific knowledge and household remedies. So I thought that was really innovative, and it's just bringing the wisdom of the world, the secret of women all around the world, and just combining it and putting it all into their product. And the other thing that I absolutely loved about the brand is the way they packaged their products. It's so beautiful. You can tell how much thought was put into it, and all of the products, they smell absolutely amazing. Okay, so now let me take you guys through the products that I tried. I tried their bath and body care range, and the first thing that I tried is their Turkish hair mask. Now, this is the Rasul clay mask. First things first, the packaging is so beautiful, and Rasul clay is widely used in Turkish hammams, and it's found in the Atlas Mountains, and it's known for detoxifying and cleansing and exfoliating, and it is enriched with olive oil, honey, and vitamin E, and this helps in giving you a very voluminous, nourished, and lustrous hair. And once you use this for a longer duration, because this is clay, it will also really help in balancing your hair, and this is especially amazing for anyone who has like really oily scalp, because this is going to reduce the oiliness in your scalp. And the way to use this is to apply this from the roots to the end of your hair. Now, take a generous amount onto your hands and start applying it strand by strand. Take just like random small chunks and then apply it. And while I'm waiting for that to sit into my hair, I just rinsed a towel in really hot water, and I'm going to use that as a turban. Now, what this is going to do is help the clay mask penetrate into the hair better, and just the steam from the towel is going to make sure that it just gets into the pores. And I'm just going to let that sit for another like 10 minutes or till the towel feels cold. And just make sure that you do not burn yourself. It can be really hot. If you are under 18 or if you are unsure about this, please take help, because the towel can get really hot. Just keep yourself safe. So once you have the towel on for 5 to 10 minutes, you can rinse it off with water, and you can wait longer for like 15 minutes. That will just make the effect better. But for best results, you can follow this up with the Turkish Rose and Mint shampoo and conditioner. So the next thing that I used in progression of the clay mask was the Turkish shampoo and conditioner. This is the Rose and Mint one. As you can tell, this is a 2-in-1 product, so it is a shampoo and conditioner on its own. The Rose and Mint shampoo and conditioner is also based out of Turkish traditions for hammam, and the rose oil is used for cleansing, while the mint is used for rejuvenating, for soothing, and the rose extracts also help in promoting hair growth, in strengthening the hair, just in overall like growth of really healthy hair from the root to the tip. So you just take a coin-sized amount of this onto your palm, and then you spread this onto your wet hair and just gently massage it, just so that it lathers up, and then you just wash it. You can repeat if you need, and once you let your hair air dry like I did today, you can see and tell the effects of the conditioner. So your hair immediately, once it gets dry, becomes really smooth. My hands were running through it very smoothly, and it felt very voluminous and bouncy. I could also tell that the clay made my hair like really voluminous, and yeah, I really like it. The next thing that they have is this Aztec soap. Now this is their chocolate and walnut soap, and oh my god, the moment I opened this and smelled this, it smells like a brownie. I kid you not, guys. It smells so good. I don't even like chocolate, and I felt like eating this. It just smells so delicious, and it's got this really interesting pattern on top of it that looks so good. So this soap is, okay, it's making my hands soapy because my hands are sweaty. I have this weird thing where my palms are always sweaty, but this one is inspired by Aztec traditions. Now, Aztecs believed that cocoa seeds were a gift to mankind by the god of wisdom. So they really respected it to an extent where they even used it as currency. And the benefits of chocolates are so many that the Aztecs actually considered it to be sacred. So this soap is high in antioxidants, it provides nourishment to the skin, and it also protects the skin from UV damage, and it helps the skin glow. And the walnut kernels in the soap really helps in exfoliating your skin gently, and the chocolate in it really helps in balancing the moisture. So this is great during the winter times where our skin really tends to get like very dry and chapped. So this is great, and can I just say this once again, this smells amazing. The next thing that I tried is their Greek body moisturizer. This is with yogurt and lavender. Like the name suggests, this is inspired by Greek traditions. So yogurt is not really good for your body, but it's also excellent for the skin, and the consistency of this one is very, very light. It's very watery like this, but it is super duper nourishing on the skin. So the Greeks have been using yogurt in their skincare since ancient times, and yogurt has been known to really soothe and protect your skin from sunburn. It is very, very moisturizing, and it is also enriched with proteins and vitamins and minerals that help in shedding dead skin cells. And the lavender essential oil in it is very useful in aromatherapy, and it is a very calming fragrance. And I actually really like the texture of the body lotion. It is very, very moisturizing without being overtly oily. Like, it does not really leave like an oily layer on top of my skin, and once it penetrates, the texture of my skin is just amazing. It just makes it like really soft and supple. And last but not the least, I have the Rose and Cura Indian Body Mist. Now this one is a body mist, so it comes in this bottle with a spray like this, and you can use this all over your body, and it smells so good. The combination of rose and cura is used in the Indian Panchamrit ritual, and this is a very classic combination. And cura is an ingredient of attar, which is a highly concentrated perfume used in India. You can use this all over your body, and it just is a very revitalizing, and the aloe vera base is also moisturizing. So this is perfect for the winter. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun trying out these products, and I had to share them with you guys. Now, if you have made it this far, then I have a surprise giveaway for you guys. So the rules to enter is very simple. The first one is that you have to be subscribed to my channel. So click on that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. So you can just click on the thumbs up button under this video, and then the next thing you have to do is follow Global Beauty Secrets on Instagram and Facebook. I am going to link them both down below in the description box. And the third and the most important thing is to leave a comment down below telling me what is your favorite secret beauty regime using natural ingredients that really helps you get that perfect skin during the festive and the party season. And also make sure that you leave your Instagram handle along in the comment so that it's easy to reach you guys, because YouTube does not let me message you guys anymore. So just make sure you leave your Instagram handle so that I can, creep into your DMs. And that's it. I am going to leave all the rules and regulations in the description box down below to enter the giveaway. And in case you guys would want to try out the products yourself, they have a 10% off on Nykaa for today, and this is for all of you guys who want to avail this special promo code. I am also going to link that down below, so if you guys want to check it out yourself, you definitely can. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.